Hey, the new MacBook Pro is finally here. What do we get? 14 inches display, not too large and not too small. M1 Pro and M1 Max silicons, crazy fast, like nothing else on the market. Buttery smooth display with 120Hz refresh rate, up to 17 hours on the battery, crazy fast memory and SSD, HD web camera if you are into the meetings, 6 speakers for the amazing sound. On top of that you get HDMI port, SD card reader, MagSafe is back, and look at that, just look at that, physical functional keys instead of the touch bar. Apple, just shut up and take my money. Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andrei and in today's video I'm going to show you this bad boy. A new MacBook Pro from Apple, 14 inches, running on M1 Pro chip. So I will open it up, we will see what is inside, then I will turn it on, I will run a couple of tests and we will see whether it's the best laptop ever created. So stay with me and let's figure it out. The reason I bought this laptop is because I needed a new computer instead my old friend MacBook Air running on Intel Core i5. So it was a very good laptop, I was quite happy with it until I started shooting videos. And this laptop is simply not suitable to edit videos or to shoot videos, so it's not for content creators. So I thought maybe I would buy the M1 MacBook Air that was released last year, and I almost did this because this laptop is actually good enough for content creators. However, I figured out that Apple was working on the next generation of M1, so I decided to wait, and this MacBook Pro was released in this October. When I watched the video, I just couldn't help buying it. The reason is because I think this laptop is great for content creators. So first of all, it's damn fast. You can edit videos or photos without problems. It has up to 8 TB SSD, which is crazy. Like 8 TB will be enough for anything you need. It has some nice features like SSD card slot or HDMI slot, so you don't need extra adapters. Also, I like the size. The size is not too big, like 16 inches, and also it's a little bit bigger than 13. I always thought that 13 inches was just a little bit small. This laptop has 16 GB unified memory, 1 TB SSD, 10-core CPU and 16-core GPU. What else? It has HDMI, SDXS card slot, MagSafe 3 port, and by the way, MagSafe 3 is great. My first Apple laptop was with a MagSafe and it was very convenient, especially when you're working from home and you have a lot of cables. It also has a headphones jack. Not sure if I'm gonna use this, but we will see. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, HD camera, FaceTime HD camera. So I think it's gonna be great for the meetings. I will test it too. This is not the most powerful configuration that you can find, but I think it's gonna be enough for my purposes. So let's open it up and see what is inside. I'm not sure why, but this laptop has a little bit of plastic around it. I thought the Apple switched to the sustainable model. My iPhone 13 didn't come with the plastic around. So let's peel it off and see what happens. Ooh. Nice. Feels good. Let's throw it away. Okay, let's open it up. Ta-da! Put it here. Okay. Oh wow, so this laptop is heavy. weight is the sign of reliability. So this boy is heavy. So let's open it. So you can see the MacBook Pro text. Wow, it's cool. I like this color. So it looks very interesting. I don't say it's too much heavy, but it's definitely heavier than my MacBook Air. So what else do we get here? So we have a charger. MagSafe 3. So not sure what MagSafe 3 is about. Why is it better than MagSafe 2? So this cable is actually nice. Wow. Okay. So it has some user manual, MacBook Pro. Yeah, not too much information. 2 stickers, black ones. I have never seen black stickers actually from Apple. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them. Do I want to stick them here? No, probably not. So also the power adapter. So this model of laptop comes with the fast charger. You can charge your laptop for up to 50% just in 30 minutes. So I'm going to buy an extension cord so you can put an extension instead of this thing, and then it will be much longer, much more convenient, I would say. So yeah, that's basically it. So I think we should open up the laptop. Okay, let's do it. Oh, you can hear this sound. Let's peel this screen off. Ooh. Such a nice feeling. So you get this area for the camera. Not sure how is it going to look like. So yeah, that's really good. So the screen is really nice. It's very bright. So can I...
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, so Siri is talking to me. So I will show you the MagSafe headphone jack. This is the ventilation holes, I think. It's Apple logo. So this is the SD card slot, HDMI. Yeah, I really like it. I really like the size. It's just the perfect size for me. So what I'm going to do now, so I'm going to configure it. I will try to migrate data from my MacBook Air laptop. Then I will try to edit this video on this new laptop. So stay with me. I will be back soon. Unfortunately, the migration process didn't run very smoothly. Something went wrong, but at least I managed to buy a coffee. So what I'm doing now, I'm trying to update both MacBooks to the latest macOS Monterey, and then I will try to migrate it again. Waiting. It took me 1.5 hours already to upgrade both laptops. I hope it's just 10 minutes left. Yeah, I'm not sure what is exactly happening, but the migration assistant estimated 7 hours to transfer my data from MacBook Air. I don't know why. I'm not gonna wait. I'm canceling the process and I will just install everything manually. Okay, so I've just downloaded some 4K footage from one of our trips to Blue Mountains. So I'm going to import it into iMovie and then I will see how fast is editing. So I'm importing a whole bunch of files, photos and videos. So it's really fast. It's so fast you can't even imagine how fast it is. Now let's run a stabilization test. I have a clip 21 second long 4K. So I will put the timer. Yeah, it's just 27 seconds. So the stabilization time is very similar to the clip's time. So usually it takes way longer. Okay, so now we have a 10 minutes clip, 4K, 2 streams. So let's export it. Let's export it in the YouTube format. I'm going to use 4K. The estimated file size is 3 GB. Let's put it in downloads. And I will start the timer. What's interesting about this export with iMovie is that the CPU is barely used. I can see that 90% of CPU is idle. So what it means is that the export process could be more efficient. I hope when I upgrade to the Final Cut Pro it will be much faster. And also I don't hear any noise, like it's not even trying to cool itself, like it's totally fine. Done! Done! It's done in 6 minutes, man! That's incredible! So 6 minutes. So you can export files. The export time is twice faster than the clip size. 4K, 2 streams. iMovie is not the best tool to export. I am impressed. I am impressed. This is so cool. So now I'm testing the internal web camera with the internal microphone. I think this is how I'm gonna look like in the meetings. So I can already see that the quality is pretty good for the tiny little camera built into the laptop lid. So yeah, that's cool. Nice job, Apple. I'm editing the video now. This video that you are watching, and man, it's so cool, so smooth. I think my productivity of video editing is gonna be twice faster. Cool. Okay, so what is the conclusion? Is it the best laptop ever created? Probably. I don't know, I have not tested all laptops in the world. Is it the best laptop that I have ever seen? Definitely. This is the best laptop I have ever seen. I like the look and feel, I like the ergonomics. The keyboard is awesome. The screen, damn, this screen is so bright, so good. So the performance, the video editing performance is amazing. It's at least 2 times faster than my work laptop with Intel Core i7, I think 6 cores or something like this. So should you buy this laptop? I don't know. You should decide for yourself because it's very expensive, but I think it's a great choice for content creators and like for other people. What I'm gonna do in the next weeks, I'm going to test if this laptop is good for the software development, especially for Java development. I will install some development tools and I will test how this laptop is doing with that. If you are interested in any specific tests, just drop a comment and I will do my best to run these tests for you. So thanks for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe for my channel and see you in next videos. Bye bye!